Hello everyone, I've got some new models from the brand Minigt GT and we're going to do an unboxing review. These are diecast models in a 1/64 scale, made for the diecast collector. It is not a toy, but it's got rolling wheels, so if you want to play with it, why not? It keeps you young, keeps the burnout away. Let's start with this one over here, Porsche 911 GT3R, and then a 9. Not sure what the 9... here we got the 9. 2023 EMSA Sebring 12 Hours GTD Pro winner. This is an official licensed product. That is what we like. We got a barcode and article number right here for the ones who are interested. What is also good to know, Minigt GT is active on social media. Let's see. There we go. Box package. I like that. So here we got the model, nice Michelin tires. Let's switch to detail mode and some extra light for all the good details. Good rolling wheels. Nice roll cage inside. Ooh, I like this front. That is really cool. What a big air intake is that? Metal base, not much details, slick tires. The tires in the back are as wide as in the front. I don't think that's the case with the real version, but I'm not 100% sure. Let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, we got an authentic racing steer right here, steering wheel. And the white thing that you see is a piece of the roll cage. Here from the other side. And brake over there. Pretty well detailed inside, I have to say. Okay, let's go for the next one. Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato Bianco Asopo. Again, official licensed product. Here we got the barcode and article number. And I already told you that Minigt GT is active on social media. Nice picture of the Lamborghini. So here it is. Lamborghini logo is not exactly in the middle of it. I forgive you. Must be very difficult. Aha! And here we have wider tires in the back. I also like the profile. A little bit of off-road profile. Metal base. Yeah, really cool Lamborghini if you want to go off-road. And I think they perform really well. Do I have another one? Well, if you've seen my channel, you know that I did a review about the one from Sparky. Let's have a look and compare. So the wheels were rolling not that well with the one from Sparky. So the one from Sparky has better lights in the front. And I'm talking about the extra LEDs in the middle. The headlights, I like the one from Mini GT a little bit more, and I believe they're also lensed. The ones from Sparky are also lensed. For the rest, it's pretty much the same. If we look at the window, I think the windscreen wipers both, well, one is more molded in the glass. The ones from Mini GT look a little bit better. Yeah. Looks a little bit more detailed. Interior, I see that Sparky has some sort of mirror for in the middle. Mini GT 0. Side mirrors pretty much the same. Yeah, this is hard plastic, this is rubber. Also the top, yeah, the same. And here the back. Yeah, I like the one from Sparky a little bit more detailed. Also the exhaust. Yeah, but the lights from Mini GT are lensed, but these are not lensed, and I like them a little bit more. It's not always so that lensed lights are better. So yes, I prefer the wheels from Mini GT because they're wider in the back. Now I'm not sure how it is with the real one. Profile of both cars is good. This is also a metal base, by the way, and it got some details, so I go for the one from Sparky. Yeah, they both has some plus points and some minus points. I like the rims from Mini GT a little bit more, and the wheels are much better rolling. If you see, it blocks. And the one from Mini GT. Yeah. Okay, my favorite of all these cars is going to be the McLaren F1 GTR. 24 hours of Le Mans. What a beauty, what a beauty. Here we got the barcode and article number, and you can see it's an official licensed product. Yeah, and you can scan this QR code for more. I've never done that, to be honest. Look at it. I already took it out the package. Couldn't wait, sorry. Good rolling wheels. If I have to choose one sport car that I like the most of all, it's going to be the McLaren F1. Such an epic car. And that the driver is in the middle, totally awesome. Metal base with some details, and the tires are wider in the back than in the front. I like that. Normal screws, so you can upgrade the interior with some seat belts, some colors. If you want, it's all possible. Then we're going to have a look at the BMW E7 X-Drive. Huh? You already did a review about that one. Yeah. But that was a different color. This is graphite gray, and this is the black sapphire. Let's have a look. Barcode, article number, license product. Heavy model it is. Also, if you have seen this car in real life, it is huge, it is big, it is a couch on wheels, it is very cool. Nice paint, by the way. Wow, look at this. No, serious? What is that in the back? No way. There is something Well, I can't see it that well. It looks like there is something on that screen. I can't see exactly what it is, but some sort of Easter egg. Maybe a secret message from Mini GT. Let's have a look on this side. What is it? Or is it nothing? It looks like a mountain or something. Can I see it through the back? No, that's not possible. What is it? Can I zoom in? Come on. Okay, zoom, 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 zoom. What the heck is that? There is something on that screen. What is it? Can somebody tell me what it is? I have no idea. Very interesting. Very interesting. I have to search for it on the World Wide Web. Maybe they can give me an answer. Anyways, very cool interior also. And apparently there is something in the back with color. And if you can do something in the back with color, why can't you do it here in front? Nice rooftop, by the way. What are those lines? Is it something to do with solar panel? Very cool car, by the way. I would love to drive it one day to see how comfortable it is. Yeah, still missing a license plate. Mini GT would be cool if you add a German car, so German license plate. That would be awesome. Next one. Second favorite of all these cars here, Porsche 911 Dakar. What also would be very cool if they do a classic Dakar Porsche. I know there is one. I think Hot Wheels made one. But if you do the new one, why not the classic? Yeah, fantastic looking Porsche, very well done. I was actually planning to make a video with this at the Porsche dealer because there was a Rally Dakar at the Porsche dealer, but I already did a video with the Hot Wheels version. Someone picked it up on the World Wide Web and now the Dakar Porsche is sold. True story. Like the accessories on top, that they have a color. I think that's very important, very well done. A Mini GT. Let's have a look at the interior. Nice steering wheel, left-hand drive. Yeah, there should be heating in the back window. Now, I checked if there is heating. There is heating, but you can barely see it. So I understand that they say, well, you can barely see it, so we skip the heating. I understand. Yeah, metal base. Nice profile on the tires, and the tires in the back are wider than in the front. Last but certainly not least, it's a Liberty Walk Black. It's a Mazda RX-7. Here we got the package. It's Mazda approval barcode article number. Whoa! Dropped out of my hand. Love the rims. Liberty Walk. First I thought it said Coca-Cola. Cool, the lights. I like that. It would be cool if these lights could pop up. Maybe it doesn't have lights because there are lights right here. But you know, today you see 164 cars and they had this thing right here Well, I can show you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't move. Don't move. I've got it right here. It's this one right here, and I think they did really well. See, also with a light, BMW, and then they have this system. If you do it like this, you go to the front. Whoop! How cool is that? Push them down. Very interesting system. Would be cool if Minigt GT does that with models in the future. I think the technique is getting better, so it is possible. Red roll cage, I like that. Let's have a look at the interior. Good steering wheel, looks authentic to me. And last, the metal base with some details. Love the tires, different profile. I appreciate that they have a different profile for different cars. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. You help me with that. Thank you so much. And let me know which one is your favorite. Have a good day. Bye.